Hello. Today we talk about ancient Greece. It was a long time ago, more than 2,000 years ago. Greece is in Europe. It is a warm country. It has mountains and sea. It has many islands. People in Greece were farmers. They grew olives and grapes. They kept goats and sheep. They caught fish from the sea. They made bread, cheese, and wine. They traded with other places. They used boats to travel. They lived in cities. One big city was Athens. Another big city was Sparta. People lived in stone houses. They went to markets. They talked and walked in the sun. Greek people liked to think. They asked big questions. They talked about life. Some were teachers. One teacher was Socrates. Another was Plato. They liked learning. The Greeks made art. They made statues and pots. They painted pictures on them. They also liked plays. They had theaters. They watched actors speak and sing. The Greeks liked sports. They made the Olympic Games. It was a big event. People ran, jumped, and threw. The games were every 4 years. They built big buildings. They used white stone. They built temples with big columns. One temple was the Parthenon. It is still in Athens today. Sometimes they had wars. They used ships and shields. They wore helmets. They fought but also wanted peace. People wore simple clothes. Men wore short robes. Women wore long dresses. They ate bread, fish, and fruit. They played music with small harps. They sang songs at home. Ancient Greece is gone, but we remember it. They gave us art and ideas. They gave us stories and learning. They gave us the Olympic Games. Ancient Greece was smart and strong. It was full of life. It was full of ideas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.